Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of TroubleShoot with screen readers. In this video series, we will cover a range of topics on how you can troubleshoot your Windows problems by using your favorite screen reader NVDA or JAWS. This is the new initiative taken by Accessible Computing YouTube channel. If you like this initiative, don't forget to share this video with your community. Sometimes what happened, we press Windows key but the search box is not working. We are typing something but the search results will not appear. What to do? First you can restart your computer. Sometimes by restarting your computer it is okay, the problem is resolved. If still the problem is there, you can just check whether the Windows is updated or not. If your Windows is updated but the problem is still there, then you need to restart the search service. How to do that? Let's see. I'm pressing Windows plus R to go to Run dialog box.
Run dialog, type the name of a program.
Here I am typing services.msc in small letter.
services.cmcs.cmcs.
I'm pressing enter here.
Tech folder, view list services, preview services, local one of
all the services are opened by provided by Windows. Here I'm pressing tab once.
List RSVC 47 to 81. Description. Run.
Here you will get all the services provided by Windows. So we need to search Windows search option.
W Windows Audio Endpoint W Windows Event Collector W Windows Mobile Hotspots Windows W Windows Search Description provides
Windows
content
search.
indexing.
Now I'm just pressing the application key here.
Context menu. Start unavailable list.
So already I have started. The service is started in my system. What you do is
Stop.
either you can stop and start or
pause unavailable. Resume unavailable. Restart.
Restart. You can just restart the service and the problem will be fixed.
All tasks sub menu K.
Okay.
Refresh F.
You can also refresh.
Properties are help page.
Okay.
Start unavailable list.
So you just need to restart the service. Okay. Whatever service you want, you can restart from
service.
Here. Right? Still the problem is there. If still the problem is there, then definitely let me know into the comment section. There is another advanced way which I'm not going to tell in this video because I don't know if you love this type of videos or not. That's why. So I'll definitely try to make another video and where I will discuss about the method. Okay, so this is how you can resolve your Windows search issues. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to let me know into the comment section. If you first time visit, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe also this channel and our second channel also. Okay, so if you want to join ours, you can join our Telegram channel. You can join us on Facebook, LinkedIn and also Instagram. Yes, you can follow us on Instagram also. Just go and follow us on Instagram. This is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.